How to switch between TikTok accounts using the latest version of the app. Let's get started. First, open the TikTok app and tap the profile icon in the bottom right corner. Next, tap your account name or the drop-down arrow at the top of your profile page. If you already have multiple TikTok accounts signed in, you'll see a list of all your accounts. Simply tap the account you want to switch to, and TikTok will instantly change to that account without requiring you to log in again. If you don't have another account added yet, tap Add Account. Then sign in with your existing account or create a new one by following the on-screen instructions. Once it's added, you can switch between your accounts anytime using the same menu. After switching, you'll be taken directly to the selected account, and you can confirm the change by checking the profile name at the top of the screen. And that's it. That's how you can quickly switch between TikTok accounts. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more TikTok tips and easy how-to guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.